Look out, folks, because here comes the Raven.
The following movie is rated I.
The solar panel's not really in the sun, is it? Should have left it like that. Let's see if you start, Hawky. Nope. Well, I guess I have to let it charge up a little more. Not quite enough for a dead battery, or that battery shot. It's time for the Raven again. No choke. How can I still have 3/4 of a tank of gas? Something's not right there. You know, good thing I have reserve. We'll see. Work on adding to my suntan today. My brother's down visiting. He's over at my parents' house. So that's where we're heading today, boys. And I figure we'll try out that trail that I spotted. See where that leads us. See if I can find my parents' house without a GPS. There's so many turns, I don't know if I'm gonna remember how to get there. They're in Homosassa. So my dad is doing a lot better, thanks for asking. I want to go to a meetup this weekend, something that's already planned, you know. I know people said that they meet up at the Dunkin' Donuts in Inverness or something. I think there's something local around here. I'll let you guys know, probably on Instagram. It'd be cool to go hang out if anybody's locally want to come hang out. If you have a China bike, or if you're thinking about getting a China bike, it'd be good to look at them. Too wide. Just like on my micro van, when they stick out too much, I don't like it. Fender flares, that look pretty awesome though. Boy, that sand was something going to the panty tree. I'm sure this trail today is going to be kind of like that too. And don't forget, this still has those 50/50 tires. Kind of narrow, not great for the sand, of course. The DLX with that nice fat knobby on the back would be a little better, but the front tire is still narrow. Ah, beautiful day today. I don't know how you people can hate Florida. I love the heat. And I hate the cold. 90 degrees is fine with me. I think it's probably about 80 right now. Perfect for biking. Gets a little hot biking when it's 90. But I don't mind it. I'd rather drive in 90-degree weather than 30-degree weather. Or 40 for that matter. So yeah, that fuel gauge, I don't think it's moved, which would be impossible. I would guess I have about 1/4 of a tank. Trying to be economical. These bikes are really economical. I've gotten 60, 65 miles per gallon plus. Depends how fast you drive and where you're driving. I know people that claim they got 80 miles a gallon. I guess you'd have to cruise around about 50, 55 to achieve that. Right there, no, not that one, next one. We'll try that out on the way back. Quite a bit of woods in there if you look in the GPS. There's also some riding stuff on the left, I noticed. No, that's not it. I think maybe I passed it. No. think I ever did a 0 to 60 time on this. A lot of turns to get here. Oh, I missed a turn somewhere. Or is it on this road? I did it.
A few moments later.
Well, that was a good visit. Let's go see that trail. I think I'm gonna remember my way out of here. Yeah, I think I'm on the right track. Proud of myself. Yep, I did it. Oh, I ran out of gas. Wouldn't you know it? Well, my gas gauge isn't working properly. That'd be great if this is a shortcut and come back out on the other road that I gotta go to. A ton of side trails. So I gotta change a setting for the fuel gauge, apparently. What the hell? Alright, so there was a panty tree. Now what's this? A nighty tree? What the hell is that? That's like a... I don't know what the hell it is. A pair of pants? A sweatshirt? Kinda? I don't know. How bizarre. Oh, there's a road up there. Well, I bet you this goes to the gas station. Well, learned a new long cut. It ain't definitely not a shortcut. We'll have to explore them other side trails too, see where they come out. There's that other trail we took. I'm surprised there's not a trail that cuts across. Well, there's houses in there. I guess that would be that reason why. Oh, everybody's picking up their kids. These have a huge reserve, like 3/4 of a gallon, maybe closer to a gallon. I'll have to see where the settings are and try to change that. Not that I really care. As long as I have reserve, I don't really care. Yeah, that trail wasn't too bad. Nice and narrow, wasn't tore up yet. And the forks off of there that led to other trails, they were in pretty good shape, even less traveled. 413. We got non-ethanol 477. You getting regular Raven. Put it back to on. Don't overfill it, remember? That's how that happened. So, can I pass on a right to the light and then take a right? What do you think? I've done it before, but not with this many cars. Jeez, they got a little scooter. Oh, someone threw a tire. Dirtbags. You gonna start for me now? Damn. Oh. Never did put the bolts. There. Just need a little help. I'll let it charge up. We'll take you next time, Hawky. Both you bikes need a bath. Need some two-sided tape or something there. Good.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.